Oh, close.
Get as the next song.
Oh, I want to kick it.
Ow!
You're kicking the plank. Oh, there we go. There we go.
Yeah!
It's in great condition. I swear.
I'm good at breaking stuff by throwing it. Nope.
I'm just good at breaking stuff.
By the way, please don't say you're videoing because the forest isn't here yet.
Oh, I'm videoing.
Oh.
PJ, fucking know what?
Cut some of this out. Good job editing the thing.
I'm not editing any of this shit out.
Why?
Just because you asked it.
Yeah, I'm just saying good job editing the thing.
I ain't editing it. I'm just gonna add in fucking. I'm just gonna add all these videos together and say, alright, fuck it, there you go, video. Forest.
That was a failure.
I've just been stabbed.
Now welcome to the field of metal.
Oh, fuck
What
off.
do you call it in America?
Aye, what do they call jaggy nails in America? Thorns? Fucking hell.
Don't say that word. It's bad.
Fucking hell.
No, the other one.
What? Thistle. Thorns.
Oh, shit, my fucking phone.
Oh, fuck
Oh,
off. It's jaggy nails.
no, there was actually storms.
Oh, there's so many fucking flies I need to breathe into my sleeve.
What do you think they call it in America?
What?
What do you think they call dragon nails in China?
I don't know, fucking ching chong chang.
What about ching chong chang chong chang?
Ching chong chang chingy chong chong chong.
What about ching ching chong?
Yeah, let's just say ching chong chang.
How about ching long ding?
Ching ling ding bang.
Ching long ding?
Hit ching ling ding bang bong.
Ching long ding ding bong bong.
Donald Trump Chinese confirmed. Bing bong.
He hates the Chinese.
Half this video's been in the back of your head.
Zoom in.
Okay. Now turn around. Oh, for fuck's sake. We do that again. Again. No. Wait. Do it. Do it. Wait. Let me get a bit closer. It's fucking glorious. Oh no, how the fuck am I getting across this?
The right hand side where there's no
Oh, I see that.
singular log right here.
I didn't. Oh, I sunk.
Ian, there's a log right here to walk across.
Oh, I was having a fucking miniature heart attack. I sunk. Yeah. How the fuck does my foot come up this? What happens? I'm thinking.
Ian, I'm gonna need to go home soon.
Why?
It's almost 7 o'clock already.
It's 8 minutes to 7. My van wish in this land is for the Jews to drop their pants. When I